beauties now. Right, hello folks. I'm with Catherine. We've just had a lovely mixed grill. Well, I've had a lovely mixed grill dinner. What did you have, Catherine?
Salmon.
Salmon, wasn't it? Yeah.
With risotto.
Risotto, there you are. So now we're doing this video for you, Paula, just to show you some of the garden ornaments, what you can get in the garden centre. And I've got this. I love the tortoises, I do. That's what I'd have, and I'd paint them better.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I used to do that when I used to make them. Some beauties, look at that. These bird baths.
You make these sort of things then?
Yeah, yeah. Only the small ones, because I hadn't got. You have to have fiberglass ones for these big ones. So just look at these, Paula, and anyone else who's watching. Oh yeah, I'd have a load of these bird baths.
I like the Buddhas.
Do you? They don't really appeal to
Well,
me.
dear me, I love Buddhas.
Do they? Right. Oh, let's have a look over here. Oh, there's a backside showing, so hope there's no one underage looking. Now, I'm animal and birds, so anything, you know, looking a bit realistic is what I would have. Paula would probably like that one there, because that looks like a king, doesn't it?
It's like King Arthur or something.
Yeah.
It's £67.
£67.
Yeah.
Paula, it's what is it? Oh yeah, about 2 foot high. That's 24 inches in your language. No, it's probably a bit higher than that. It's 2.5 feet. 2.5 feet. Could even be close to 3 actually. So it could be about 30 to 36 inch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought Paula might like the angel.
Oh, I bet she would.
Oh, sold.
Sold. Sorry, Paula. It's gone.
There's another one round there.
Yeah. Oh, I've got to cover you up now because there's some boobs showing over there. So. You can look at Catherine's instead. So this just gives you an idea in this garden centre what you can see in the way of pots and that. Terrific amount. Yeah, we won't go up there, folks, but it gives you an idea. You'll have to wait until you come over, Paula. Right. Okay, Paula. Look what I've just found. Now this is the sort of stuff what I'd love to have. I could have every single one of these. How beautiful are they? Oh, I just love the owl. £30. On that one there. Oh, look at them all. I've got a whole family of them here. Parrots. And look at the bunnies and the hedgehog. Oh, look at it. Oh yeah, the fox and the ducks. There's no, I can't see any hens yet. Is there any hens?
Behind you.
Oh, look, Paula. So when you come, when we get that house, you're going to be able to get some of these.
They found all the kids.
We can have people coming around saying these are the pets.
Livestock.
These are the livestock. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, look at these. Oh, got a smile to my face. I just love all these. The flamingo.
Oh,
Oh.
that, my daughter.
Oh, there's a Buddha there.
Yeah, I like Buddhas.
Yeah, Catherine likes the Buddhas. Oh, look.
Oh, look at those cats.
Look at this.
Yeah, but look at these. They look almost real.
Look, Paula. They look real.
They do.
How beautiful are they?
Fairies, have they? They're saying fairies.
No. Look at that one, Paula. How beautiful is that? £40 that is. It's about 16 inches high, I think. What about this teapot? Got all different ones. That would be for one cup.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think so, yeah.
And I've just spotted something over here. Look at all this.
There's a little squirrel.
Yeah. Oh, look. Do you get this sort of stuff in America, Paula? Or anyone else who's watching? How beautiful. I love that sort of stuff.